Hi guys, to another video of Mixed Tarot, and today we are going to talk about the sign of Aquarius for the month of May 2021. For the sign of Aquarius, May 2021. I've already shuffled the cards, so let me just start with the reading. Alright, for the sign of Aquarius, May 2021. Page of Swords, Nine of Cups, Five of Cups. Alright, let me pull out a few more cards. Justice, Six of Wands, Knight of Swords. Wow, the Sun. Alright guys, so this month you're in the energy of Page of Swords, which means a person who is a fighter, who will fight the situation no matter what it is. I've got Nine of Cups at the top, which means wish fulfillment, and I've got Five of Cups at the bottom. I've got justice, recognition, sun coming out, and an action that is happening quickly. Alright, so what I think is, guys, there's someone who's going to get a justice in a situation, swift justice. I don't know what sort of situation that is. So for somebody it might be work related, for somebody it might be on the domestic front, but you are going to get recognized. You're going to get recognized. And this Five of Cups energy is actually the background you're coming from. You know, something which has already happened. So you're coming from Five of Cups kind of an energy and moving on to an energy that is going to be Nine of Cups, that is going to be recognition, that is going to be power, that is going to make you happy, and it's going to happen fast. I also see certain level of karma here. Page of Pentacles, okay, certain level of karma here. So good. Ace of Cups. So what I see is you might have been a bit disappointed in the past, but you're going to get justice for that. You're going to get justice for that, and you're going to get a swift justice for that. You're going to get a swift justice, but for you, it's not a swift justice, right? For you, it is something that you have waited for pretty long time. So maybe few months you have waited for this kind of justice to happen. But for the outer world, for the person like me who's sitting in another place and looking at you, I see swift justice happening. So it's all good. It's all good. So tell me something about this Five of Cups. Okay. Pentacles. King of Wands. Okay. So whatever your disappointment is about, it's about a man who's sitting in a power position who somehow troubled you financially. I don't know whether it's related to a job or it's related to a marriage, but a person who has irritated or shall I say tried to corner you financially. So that's what I see, and that is what this Five of Cups talk about. And I see that you're coming out of that situation since Sun is here and the Ace of Cups is here. So that's a very good thing. Tell me something about the Sun. Tell me something about the Sun. Nine of Swords. The Temperance. Knight of Wands. Okay, so the Sun is about something that you have been waiting. Something that you have been waiting for a long time now. And you're going to hear a message regarding that waiting. So whatever you have been waiting for, if you have been waiting for an offer, if you have been waiting for a some legal matter issues, if you have been waiting for something else, some business or something, good news, you're finally going to hear news on that. In the month of May, you'll hear good news on that. So you have been patient up till now, so continue doing that till the time you hear that news. Just be patient. So but whatever you wanted to hear, you're going to hear it soon. Tell me something about this Ace of Cups, Eight of Swords, Five of Wands, and Seven of Wands. Okay, so this Ace of Cups is talking about somebody who has suffered in the past, had a fight, and finally won. Finally won. So if this is regarding your love relationship, I think you're going to win. I think you're going to win. So you might had fight with this person. So it might be, look, Ace of Cups doesn't necessarily means a lover, right? It could be a family member of yours. It could be a son or a daughter, but whomsoever you had a fight with or in the past, it's going to smoothen out now. So you'll feel much, much happier with whosoever this person is. And I'm really glad about that. So Ace of Cups generally means love, good emotions. So if you had a fight with any of that person, so it's going to sort out now. By the way, I see a very young energy here. So it might be your son, daughter, or maybe a grandson. I don't know. But son or a daughter, definitely. So this person is actually younger to you. This person is not somebody who's of the same age group. That's what I feel. That's what I feel. And I'm saying what I feel. So I really find this reading very good. It's actually about improving. It's actually something like you building upon something. So I see that pretty nicely, and I'm pretty happy to see that. So I'll show you few common rhythms, common things that you can take care about in your, certain patterns. So I've got Justice and I've got Knight of Swords right below it. So it's something related to a swift justice. You are in the center and you are quite in control. I know there might be certain things that disappoint you in the past, but Nine of Cups at the top. When you see that genie, he's got a lot of cups there, right? And he's sort of straight looking at you, asking you what you want, what you really want. And Aquarius, I'll tell you one thing, Aquarius is somebody who likes to have money but ultimately is not running behind money. Aquarius is the kind of person who's running behind true love, true emotion, something that they can enjoy. I know that is the kind of person you are. You're not running behind money. Money might play a role in it, but ultimately you're looking for happiness. Ultimately you're looking for, you might belong to a middle class or a lower middle class family, but ultimately what you want is happiness. Whatever you have, you should have fun with that, right? So it's that kind of a thing. That's kind of an energy that an Aquarius carries. So I know you guys are not desperate behind money. So this on the right side of the reading is pretty damn good. So this is what's going to happen in the future. So just enjoy, guys, just enjoy. You know what to do. Trust your inner knowledge and act upon it without delay. Yeah, I already somehow knew that. Comfort, I am with you in your time of need, helping you heart to heal. Perfect. So those are your advice cards. But apart from that, I still feel it's a very strong reading. It's a good reading. It's a reading that talks about recovery. So it talks about actually coming from a mode of survival into thriving. That's kind of a reading it is. And you getting recognized for your good work is an excellent thing to happen. So thanks a lot, guys. Keep writing, keep commenting, and this is your reading for the month of May 2021. Thanks a lot.